start with introducing myself.
Okay.
My name is Mila Wembia. I'm from Kasama Boys Secondary School. As you can see here, I'm having an innovation with the aim of reducing theft, robbery, and the usage of electricity. As you can see, this innovation is as a result to combat security issues in our communities and the country at large. Therefore, the same innovation will provide a remedy to crime-related issues such as theft and robbery, which is now the talk of the town every day in Zambia. So, how it will be working is that, as you can see here, there is a free play park. A free play park, how it will be working is that, this is a merry-go-round. So when children are playing here, they are rotating this, it has to be producing electricity. As you can see, the light here will be working like this. So it has to be producing electricity. And here there is a solar panel. A solar panel, it also has to be producing electricity when there is light. And this is a windmill, and also how it works is that when you start spinning it, it will start producing electricity. And the same electricity which is being produced here, it has to be stored behind here. There are batteries. There are batteries there behind. Those batteries, they are being charged with the same system here, and the same electricity which is being produced here will be used up to power up the house. There's no need of installing the electricity from the ZESCO companies, no. So, if you want to turn on this security system, you have to use your mobile phone. So, I'll use my phone, I'll just send the text to it. Just wait. I'll just have to use my mobile phone. I'll send the text. Okay. Here. Okay, I come here, I search my house. Here it is. And then I send a text to say on. It has to receive the signal. Even if you left the gate, open, it has to close automatically just by sending the text. So after that, now the system is on. Even the fence is with electricity now. So after the system is on, you can use this to test that there is electricity here. This is a DC motor, will start spinning when you connect it here. There is electricity here, as you can see. Even in the windows, there is electricity. In the windows, as you can see. So after turning on the system, some people might try to come and steal using an aeroplane, but if that person steps anywhere here inside the yard, in the front yard here, steps anywhere here, it has to send a text to you to tell you that someone is moving around in your yard. So it will send the text. You just have to wait here. Just have to wait. It will send the text. Here's the text, as you can see. Attention. There is a known movement at your house. So you need to know wherever you are, even if you are in Lusaka, anywhere you have to know. So after that, there is also here, this is the garage. This is the garage. The garage, how it's working is that there is a parking car here inside there, as you can see. So if that person tries to tamper with the vehicle here, just by tampering it like this, trying to push it outside, it also has to send a text to you. You just have to wait for it. It will send a text to tell you that someone is playing with your car. Yeah, it will send a text. You just have to wait for it to send the text. Just have to wait for some minutes so that the text can be sent. Yeah, the text now is here. As you can see, the parking car in the garage has been tampered. So you know, wherever you are, you will know that someone is at my place. So not only that, here we are having a trap room, and this is a dog house. So how it will be working also is that this is a door. When that person tries to tamper with the door, pushing the door, the trap room will open and that person will be trapped inside and it will lock. As you can see, just by pushing the door, the trap room will open and it will close after that person being trapped here inside. Yeah. And if that person also tampers with this car handle, the dog house will open automatically just by tampering the hand. The dog house now is open. The dogs will start chasing that person and that person cannot escape. Yeah. So after this, after all these explanations, now you need to turn on off the system. after you have done all these things, you have to turn off the system. But for turning off the system, you need to have this card, and this card is specifically meant for this. So if you place this card using the other side, it will not work. You place here, it will not work. Use the other side, you place it here, it will not work. But if you use it to the correct side here, the way it should be supposed to be, you place it like this. Now the system is off by just using this card, and the gate now is you can open the gate now. It's unlocked now. This is how it's working.
So, such thing and then,
Yeah.